everyone, and also good morning my friends from Zimbabwe. Today I do have another tutorial. I have a lot of energy to work with you because you're subscribing and you are sharing my tips and ideas in my tutorials for your friends who also want to be a producer or also want to improve their skills. So today I have my tutorial here. This tutorial or these types of music is mostly made there in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singer who is called John Chibadura. And this tutorial is not for beginner, it's for advanced. So if you want for me to start from beginning up to the end explaining you how to use this program, it's up to you to tell me in the comment section. So without talking too much, let us start from the reed drums. After the reed drums we will end the melody sections to see how they sound. So guys, let us start with our tutorial for today's video. So here are the drums. As you know, I like to take all the projects and remove the melodies and remain with the reed drums and create another new project. Let us hear how this reed drum sounds. It's very simple. After I drew the reed drums, I had to come down here and choose one of the plugin, and all of the plugins that I will be using here, they are native plugins. Nothing to worry about downloading. No, just use your ideas, your tips, your creativity, your talents here. Nothing to worry about. So let us hear how I drew this melody. It sounds like this. It's very simple. After I drew this melody, I had to draw another melody answering that melody which I first drew up there. I used the FM bass to draw this melody, and here the first melody which I showed you, I used the jazz hall to play that melody, and after this melody I had to draw another melody down here to answer the second melody. Let us hear the third melody how it sounds. You see, they are coordinating. As I always say in my tutorial, first of all, when you are playing your beat, consider coordination, because let us suppose you are a singer and your friends answering you. It's the same as playing in a computer. You should play like someone who is singing and another one is answering. And these types of beat in Zimbabwe is played with a lot of artists. They hold their guitar on their hands and start playing. So if you are playing with this with the computer, you are supposed to play as if you are a band, because what is a band? A band is a group of artists that play their music. For example, they will take one guitar and another will take the bass guitar, and they will start playing, making their music. So if for you are alone with your computer, with your mouse, without nothing, so you are supposed to play like a band. That's why if you play one melody, you should answer with another melody up to the end. So let us hear again how they sound. They sound very cool. After that, I had to answer with some other melodies down here. They are not complete. As you see, this space is empty. It's because we are dealing with the coordination. We are only answering, not just what is coming in our mind to paste here, just draw. No. We are dealing with intelligence, with the creativity, with the sense. If you are with the singer in your studio, just tell him to sing for you to start making the projects, not just draw. No. Let us hear again how it sounds. After this, also I had to draw another melody here, down here. I used the saw it off to draw this melody, and this melody here which I showed you, I used the finger bass to draw it I'm talking about the presets. These are the he have in he have subtractor. So after that I had to draw another melody here, and it is also empty. I didn't complete it since I'm only coordinating. Here I'm only answering. I use the Milo. I use the Milo triangle to draw this melody here that you're hearing here. This melody here is answering this one here that I use the saw it off. Let us hear when it plays here. The other will answer here. If it plays here, the answer the melody that I drew below it will answer here. And after that I had to draw the bass. I had to copy those melodies that were up there to pass them down here. So at the end I had to draw the bass. I always said for you to draw the bass guitar. So this was the tutorial for today's video. So I have another part to show you. As I always say for you that if you are making your beat, consider the people that will dance. There are adults that they want to hear how the singer is singing. There are other adults that they don't want to pay attention to how the song is saying. They only want to dance, and the children also they want to dance. So it's very important to draw the drums for them to dance. Let us hear how the drums sound. My friends, this was the tutorial for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be here for that. I will give you free tips and ideas for you to start or to improve your skills. So bye bye. I will see you in the next tutorial as you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.